DJ at Low.
Don't think I'm sleeping looking at you. All of them wish a nigga had you. And that's a typical factor. A bunch of them asking for you to scratch them. I'm trying to hurt them with the flame. I'm trying to come with the rain. I won't take it home. So I want them to know I'm my lady. You're my lady.
It's your girlfriend's favorite DJ. It's Birmingham's hottest DJ. Hell, it's everybody's DJ. It's Alabama's #1 party rocker. DJ Ad Low is in the building.
DJ at Low.
Innocent, she seen what I was through. I'm reminded when I look at you. You remind me of a girl that I was. See, I love, and you wouldn't believe all of the things she put me through.
DJ at Low.
I feel as though I already know you. It's such a shame that you remind me of a past love, my worst love. So sorry, but I can get with you, 'cause you remind me, yeah. You remind me that I want you. See, it's so sweet, I would believe all of the things he brought me through. This is why I just can't get right. It's so unfair. It's so unfair. I never regret.
kiss you or slap the shit out you. My bad, I'm losing myself. Don't get me wrong, it's just that oil and water don't get along. Take it from somebody that know, been there before. I used to wear my heart on my sleeve, not anymore. Ash, Usher, and Blue. Nothing hurt me more than your love do. Over my life in the depth, you remind me.
You remind me with you that I once knew. See how they swear that tonight I love how you believe on love tonight. That's why I just can't get it with you.
You remind me of a guy that I want to see. That's when
This is why I just can't get with you.
Lyrical 44 if it gets deep. Jumping beat first, then hold your nose. I'm a beast when you step on my toes. You hear my whistle checking them hoes. You see my pistol letting it go. I couldn't wait to do a song right. Only gonna do your wrong, time to party. Matt, Stephen, Marley, and you, you're gone. So select one, come with it. All shit it, now y'all done did it. Supper ready, y'all come get it. Now who gon' stop me? Block me, pop lock me, knock me. Jamaica posse, most high, Holly Selassie, y'all all willing. Another sound boy killing. I'm hot, bitch. I gon' catch cold or catch feeling. The truth be the ghetto youth. And Def Jam, y'all know that meth man take care of his fam, that's what you better do. Examine our skin, we planning to win worldwide, telling people we be jamming again.
Reggie Hammond got more holes than Grand Canyon. I dig him out, then tie him up for ransom. I shoot at your feet, make you start dancing. I pissing on your picnics where you're camping. Doctor got the zip lock from Ziggy. When the zigzag rolled, I rip the zip code. Got bitches fucked up off the hip, no. I tiptoe, then wait till they bend over. Hey yo, money, I got a moped in Jamaica sitting on 20s. Wow, look out, guns in the air. Wow, selector, guns in the air. No Belvedere is Tiger Bone to get it cracking. Hey yo, dread, right or wrong, I'm a sinner, winner of the underground swimmers. Eat dinner, in front of our holy dinner.
I don't care about your bling, bling, bling. Over here, we let them bling, bling.
Give it to me, give it to me. Shoot it, give it.
I don't care about your bling, bling, bling. Over here, we let them bling, bling.
Give it to me. One time. Give it to me.
Proceed. So give you what you need. Get live, motherfucker. As we proceed to give you what you need. Not 5 Get live, motherfucker.
Now turn the mics up. Turn the mics up. The beat is not to the mics up. Turn that shit the fuck up. What? Turn it louder. Who shot y'all? Separate the weak from the opposite. Weak hard to creep the Brooklyn streets. It's all, nigga. Fuck all that bickering beef. I can hear sweat trickling down your cheek. Your heartbeat sound like Sasquatch feet. Thundering, shaking the concrete. Niggas should stop when I call the plot. Maybe I call the cops. I heard mad shots. Saw me in the drop, 3 1/4. Slaughter, electrical stuff around the door. Old school, new school, need to learn. I burn, baby, burn like disco inferno. Burn slow like Rusty Gayo. Peel more skins than Idaho potato. Niggas know the lyrical molesting is taking place. Fucking with B.I.G. it ain't safe. I make your skin shake. Crashes on the masses. Bumps and bruises, blunts and Land Cruisers. Big Papa smash fools, bash fools. Niggas mad because I know they like rules. Everything around me, 2 Glock 9s. Ain't another motherfucker whispering about mine. And Brooklyn's finest, you be wildest, bad boys behind us.
Hey, Snoop, what up? This your nigga Trey. Hey, man, I was thinking. I ain't said shit on your whole motherfucking album. So check it out. Put this on there. All you motherfucking haters out there can suck my motherfucking dick. And we still smoking. What?
For the nigga who be talking loud and holding his
his dick, talking shit. He better lay low. Lay low. The bitch that said I shot some shit up out of my dick. Now she sick. She better lay low. All the niggas who be claiming my hood and really ain't for my gang. Better lay low. I hope he don't be thinking I'm just talking and I won't do a thing. Really hope so.
Lay low, nobody move until I say so. Limo 10 rolling deep like the president. See, I don't go to clubs, I never chase a bitch. I'm here to bang that gangsta shit to the apocalypse. We call it stress, some of y'all call it chocolate. Return of the top dog, and ain't no stopping this. Whatever the case, I ain't trying to catch it. Lay low, blow big dope and slang records. Unseen but well heard, do not disturb. The only reason you alive, cause I ain't sent a word. I flip faster than birds. Snoop Dogg will emerge from the smoke and go low. You shouldn't provoke. I bring the worst from the LBC. Smash motherfuckers thinking they gon' smash on me. Snoop and Dre give a fuck about what y'all say. From the world's most dangerous group, NWA.
I rise, it was no surprise. I always knew these fools would trip. Faking, scheming on my and on the down low, talking shit. Best move, cause I refuse to lose no matter which down road I choose. So lay low, cause you might be bruised. Top story on the evening news. I ain't the games, so if you wanna play, I'm lay low. Lay down on the floor, lay down on the floor. I'm in a rage, so if we gotta do this, let me know. That's what I came for,
Where that nigga who be talking shit, he don't come around no more because I fucked this bitch. I made her suck my dick while I was squeezing the tits, and I hit it from the back, grip tight on them hips. She tried to make me come, but I was trying to take her home, dropped you off and see you fishing on the raggedy bro, could up you in the dome. Look fag, and don't sag too hard, you show everybody you gone.
Booyaka, we bring it straight to ya. From 22 to Luger, the shit that shoot through you. Who you motherfuckers think the top dog bang with? The same clique he came with and made the game flip. Now niggas roll their hair on they stand act hard. That's even though your CEO talk shit, get slapped hard. The backyard is where we get our scrap on. The black car drive body, you get capped on.
What's up, Pimpin'? It's P and Snoop. With Dre on the beat, this ain't nothing but loot. They call me Jack Clinton for all the bread I got. Or they call me Bill Clinton for all the head I got. I keep shit realer, cause I'm all about my skrilla. The ladies love me cause I'm $1 million hitter. It's no limit till I D.I.E. CP3 or Chris McCallis where I be.
For the nigga who be talking loud and holding his dick, talking shit, he better lay low. For the bitch that said I shot some shit up out of my dick, now she sick, she better lay low. For the niggas who be claiming my hood and really ain't for my gang, better lay low. I hope he don't be thinking I'm just talking and I won't do a thing. Really hope so.
Hey, baby, get the phone over this motherfucker. Stay long.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D-O Double G. But I somehow, some way, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G's and make a few ends as I breeze through. 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the door. But for what? We don't love them hoes. Yeah. So we gon' smoke an ounce to this. G's up, hoes down, while you motherfuckers bounce to this.
Rolling down the street, smoking in love, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking in love, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my
Laid back.
mind.
I got me some Seagram's gin. Everybody got their cups, but they ain't chipped in. Now this type of shit happens all the time. You gotta get yours before I gotta get mine. Everything is fine when you're listening to the D.O.G. I got the cultivating music that be captivating me. Who listens to the words that I speak as I take me a drink to the middle of the street and get to mackin' to this bitch named Shades. She used to be the homeboy's lady. Oh, that bitch. Ain't the drinks when I tell that bitch please raise the puppies and you please, cause you get none of these at ease.
Rolling down the street, smoking in now, sipping on Daniels.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking in now, sipping on Daniels.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Later on that day, my homie Dr. Dre came through with a gang that tame a break. And a fat ass Jake of some bubonic chronic that made me choke. Shit, this ain't no joke. I had to back up off of it and sit my cup down. Tangeray and chronic, yeah, I'm fucked up now, but it ain't no stopping. I'm still popping. Dre got some bitches from the city of Compton to serve me, not for the cherry on top. Cause when I bust my nut, I'm raising the bar to cop. Don't get upset, girl, that's just how it goes. I don't love you, hoes, I'm out the dough, and I'll be
Rolling down the street, smoking in now, sipping on Daniels.
laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking in now, sipping on Daniels. South side of this city, I was born and raised. So I rep my neighborhood on and off the stage. H-Town bound, proud of the scene I set. I'm a product of these streets, I guess. Born hustling, that's the only life I know. Late night, slanging up and down my road. True story, ain't no faking on these blocks I hung. Live fast, touch money, got rich and died young, yeah. That's the mentality we had back then. Nowadays we put the Kobe's on that Maybach Benz. Long way from the corner, yet and still I feel I'm stuck. Across the hood where I'm from, don't give up. So I don't give up like them. Self-made, demanding my respect out shit, yeah. Went from a soldier to a dog like King. Rest in peace, Pimp C, use a straight up G. Yeah. Me? I have to be believed to believe that I'm right. That's right. Yeah. Trouble OG. Just so. Real homie, stand up. You heard that? OG, stand up. Still here.
They call me capital B.G. A hustler is all I ever wanted to be. A real nigga is all that I ever been. Before I snitch, they gon' have to send me to the pen. I did that lifestyle, that thuggin' lifestyle. I better call the shootings going on right now. Check my background, I never back down. Ain't no my block, we don't allow no rest round. You hear that back sound, you see that all black. The chopper get the cut and loose, you better fall back. Don't make a nigga hook you with a baseball bat. A very clown's ass whooping the future all that. I remember selling my first CD direct. Remember retaliating after my dog got flagged. I remember when I made my first money stack.
DJ Trigger, the Halloween Massacre.
Pull over a lot of paper. I got rich when I was young. Now the folks say that I'm famous. If you smoke this, you'll get high. Won't know what your name is, all I do is keep it G, my nigga, that's my second nature. I'm in New York with the thugs, Oakland with the scrapers, London eating Nando, smoking weed like I'm Jamaican. Monday all through Sunday, all this money got me making. Never been a pussy dog and never did no hating. Always been the realest out my section, no debating. Rolling tree, I got some cushion, California waiting. Breakfast on the plane, breakfast on the plane. Don't gotta eat when I land, I have breakfast on the plane. Diamonds in my time, I need my name. Live the way I live, you get respect just for your chain. Come to where I live, you might get checked just for your chain. This industry's a bitch, my dog, it's best to use your brain. Keep a couple niggas round us trying to do the same, and make a couple million before you try to make a name. Keep a couple niggas round us trying to do the same, and make a couple million before you try to make a name.